Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Where you get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you want this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check it out really fast, then come back and continue to shop. So we're about to open it up, see what's inside. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime special free shipping. They ship this really fast, so let's see what it is, guys. And full unboxing coming up. Alrighty. We have the box right here, Miracase, wireless car charger, cup phone holder, and air vent mount. Ooh, nice. So you could do either or. So it's like a 2-in-1 bonus. There's the air vent mount. There's a cup holder. For all you vloggers, you ship it, people, anyone that does delivery jobs, like from Postmates, Grubhub, DoorDash, and all of that, this would be perfect for. In case you guys do your vlogging, which I don't recommend driving and talking on the phone. But here we go. This is the good stuff on the back. I think this is the one that fits smaller phones, not the pluses. So you might want to double check it too when you before you order. Just read the description. But I do believe it's for the smaller sizes up to 6.5. I do believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna take a look inside. Go for a little test run. Kind of like a ride-along type style. What do we got in here? Some goodies right here. We got the USB cable right there. Standard size. Alright. Pretty cool. And now here's the good stuff coming out. This must be the cup holder. There is cup holder. This is where you probably have it tilt. Let's see what this thing does. I think that's to lock it in. Yeah. Lock it in more. Oh, see, it closes too. Oh. In case you got like a bigger cup holder, you can adjust it like that. So you get some, oh, that's cool. Wiggle room. Yeah, buddy. That is nifty. It's like a pump. Pump it up. So we got that right there. We got some more goodies in here. Got some more goodies. Dump it all out. And nice box though. Great job packaging. Really nice. So like I said, if you want this product, all you gotta do is click the link down below. Add it to your shopping cart. And they'll get this fast shipped to you. So here is the main part also. The harness. The holster. With the most. Ooh. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to use the USB. Juice it up. There's the locking part. Should be easy. See? Put that back on. Let's hold it in place. A little extension there. In case you got I got the iPhone right here. This is 11. Oops. Let me turn that off. Privacy. Let's see, it should. Yeah, once I get the extension, because I know the battery's not going to go. I can still. There we go. Extend it out a little bit more. Then once the power's on, it'll lock it in. Oh, that's nice fit. So we got the iPhone. This is basic iPhone 11, not the XR or any type like that. So this is normal that I'm using to lock it in. has a good fit. So jumping in the car in a second. Just want to get through this one. Let's see if I could fly. Lock that out. I think somebody's at my door. That's what that noise was. Oops. Wrong way. There we go. See, just pop it in. Oh, yeah. Just make sure you got the, where you want it adjusted correctly. Still gonna have to find, probably like right here. Just twist. Oh, yeah. So that's really cool in case you got a cup holder and you do a lot of driving. This would be perfect. And like I said, you gotta adjust that, doing that. And we'll be in the car in a second, so hang on tight, guys. We'll be back into the vehicle. Actually, I need to show this part too. This is the air vent piece. Once you have, this part connected, or you could disconnect the cup holder, put this on the back. I'll show you in the car. This will be in your cup holder. You can take this part off and put this on your air vent. So it depends on what you like, your preference, and what kind of style of car you have. I have a Compass, older style Compass. I think this will probably fit perfectly in. So we will be back into the car. Next part you'll see. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are in the car. It's kind of cold out, so I don't think we'll be going for a ride. And the tire, I gotta fix the flat. So, sorry about the buzzing. And here she is. Got her plugged into the adapter right there. And we're about to juice this thing on. There we go. It's gonna flash for a second down there. And it's gonna be hard to do this. But we'll figure it out. Should be. Yep, one touch. I can get the touch right. There we go. See it? Ooh, baby. That is nice. Now I'm going to put this phone down. So you don't have to worry about getting distracted driving. All you got to do, have some fun. Be careful on the roads. This will help you guys pay attention more to your driving. So here we go. We got the iPhone hooked up like that. Should be locked. Got the charging already. See the light down here. I want to secure it more. There you go. Holds in really nice place. Look at that. Sorry about the light. But perfect. And then cup holder. Right there. Oops. It is lunge in place right there. Got it right down here. Got it there. I gotta do. Pop it in. There you go. So this will be a perfect for navigation, vlogs, stuff like that. And then I'm going to show you the vent one in a second. I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the air vent one, which I think I like the one the best because this would be easier for me to see, especially in this SUV. So it depends on what kind of car you drive. Like I said, cup holder works well too, or the air vent. And I can turn her on. Sorry for the darkness. Here we go. She should be going on in a second. once I put the phone. There we go. See, it's already. And if you want, where is the side? There you go. It locks it in place. Oops, there we go. The light is on, so I gotta do, hook it right there into place wherever you're driving. Oh, there we go. Takes a second. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so we got it though. Really cool, guys. We'll pull it out. So it's easy to use. Hands free. Be safe out on the roads, guys. You don't want to get a ticket or hurt somebody besides yourself. But definitely check one of these out. Great stocking stuffers for Christmas, birthdays, and everything else. So there you go, have it. YouTube, be safe out there, and see you guys soon.